How to make $300 in 15 minutes. Where I'm located, to replace a hose bib, I've seen prices range from $250 to $600. And that price range is not something that I'm just making up. That's across multiple different companies. I was already doing additional work for this customer, so I gave him a discount on this hose bib and I only charged him $300 to replace it. Let me know what you think is a fair price to replace a hose bib. It actually didn't take me 15 minutes like I originally stated at the beginning of the video. It probably took me around 20 to 25 minutes to replace this. That's from shutting the water off, replacing the valve, and turning the water back on. A repair like this is usually a simple task. However, I've seen multiple homeowners twist that copper off in the wall and make this simple repair something much more. Anyways, if you stuck around this long, I appreciate you watching the video all the way through. I didn't actually charge the customer anything for this repair. Since I was doing the other work, I did this as a courtesy. On larger projects, I'll do some of the smaller repairs like this one as a courtesy just to help the customer out. I'm excited to see the comment section on this one. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think.